Introducing the 2019 BMW 330i wagon. This four-door, five-passenger sedan provides a satisfying ride for all passengers. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. Top features include a split folding rear seat, blind spot sensor, remote keyless entry, and much more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, a 20 gigabyte hard drive, and 17 speakers, providing world-class sound throughout. BMW ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, brake assist, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.